Hello and welcome back to Tim Foss YouTube channel. Today is the day of the Chelsea Tractors Club Bremont meet. Let's get into the video. So all the cars are parking up here. Obviously you see my Foley Defender here, and we have another Foley Defender there as well. The plan is that we'll meet up here first, then we're going to go and drive down to the factory and we're going to see what Bremont has to offer. They are in Henley-on-Thames, which is only about an hour drive from Belgrave Square. So it's going to be a nice drive with all these cars. It's always so impressive to see how many people turn up to our meets. So thank you if you're one of them that did, and if you're not, be sure to check out the Chelsea Tractors Club Instagram and come to the next one. It's the Foley 6x6, which is always a pleasure to see. LS3 V8 with the quality. Oh, I need these. I want these Optimil. I want these Optimil things. They're really, really nice. Look at that. Looks so clean. Look, I'm seeing more upgrades already. And then we have fire and rescue, just in case someone decides to really go for it on the motorway, with an amazing CTC Bremont sticker with the lifeboats that we're supporting today as well. So we're raising money for charity. At the time of recording this video, we've raised nearly £2,000, which is great, but I do love this little Land Rover. I think it's amazing, and it has a V8 as well. So a really cool car. What do you think of this one? Coming down the line then, we've filled the whole side of the square, which is always brilliant, and the rain has subsided thus far, so we're looking good. Another lovely Land Rover there as well. So many lovely Land Rovers. I do love the colour of these ones. Very, very nice. Look at those lights, crystal clear. Absolutely amazing. Goodwood. Oh, a bit of mud on that one. Definitely not any mud on mine, just some plants and trees from where I parked it under a tree. How are we doing? Good to see you. You're on camera. How are you doing? Good. Not been to one in cigars on camera. I know. Look at this, always clean, always lovely to see. Right, we are on our way to Bremont, and pointing the camera up there, Petter, have a look at the Land Rover traffic we are creating. Arrived at Bremont. We are at the wing. All the cars are arriving. We've just done about a 50-minute drive, and have a look at all the cars coming now. It's just so cool to see everybody arriving here at Bremont at the wing. And look at that, all the way down there, all the way down there. We have all the cars arriving, and everybody has stayed reasonably together, which is great. We have a plane here as well, and then here the wing behind us where we're going to go in a minute. And Oxford from the last Overland has also joined us, and we're going to be hearing from Alex in a little bit. Is that a Series 2? Someone correct me, but whatever it is, I want it. I love the look of those. So cool. Oh, the queue just keeps on going. So good. Let's have a quick look down. So, we've got Series 1, hello. We've got the fire truck, we've got the Foley 6x6, we have a 130 new shape Defender. Obviously we have mine here, we have James's, and then we have Jason from Bremont there. But let's go all the way down here. Parked up all the way down, all these sides over here. Oh yeah. Let's go on this hill. Look at all these cars from left to right, all the way down. Amazing set of cars, and couldn't really be happier for a better turnout and a better place. And also, it's not raining at the moment. Don't jinx it. James, how are we feeling?
Good. Yeah.
Good. You have to shout into my little microphone.
Oh, that's not ideal. I don't want to get that close to you.
Henry's here taking photos. How you doing? You drove your Land Rover down from the Lake District?
Yes.
Amazing, incredible. How was the drive?
Sketchy.
Sketchy, yeah, exactly. That's amazing. But look at everybody here. This is so nice to see. Another fantastic turnout.
Zoom on Ben.
There's Ben. Ben's there. Toot, toot, toot. There he is, looking at that lovely Hue Land Rover. I'm calling them Land Rovers now, not Defenders, because everybody gets very annoyed at me when I call a Land Rover Defender.
If you call it a Land Rover, you're safe. You're fine.
Look at this. Let's head inside then to Bremont. What a place! Look at this car in the foyer. All the time zones. We've got a bit of a showroom over here. Of course, we're going to have a look at the new collection in a minute. We have all the world clocks up there as well, and some more collections down here. Where should we go first? Okay, let's go over here. So this is the RNLI collection. Obviously, we're sporting the RNLI today. I love the one on the orange band here. I think that looks super cool. So you have lots of people just having a look at some of the watches, some of the new collections here, which is great. So we have people to talk about all the different watches that they have, especially the new collection that was just released at Watches and Wonders. So in here, this is obviously where they kind of make the watches. Look at all the different screwdrivers and everything there, all the other little tools. I guess these are some like calibration machines behind there as well. If we can see there, it's a little bit difficult with the exposure. Look at those, the glasses. This is what you need. This is when you know you're making a watch, when you have those glasses. Here he is, Alex is here. So here he is. Morning, how are you? Morning. It's so cool in here as well. They just have like all these kind of motorbikes from some expeditions. They have the kind of, is that a Jaguar bonnet on the wall there? Obviously all the planes and Bremont, obviously, you know, being you know, a brand that's synonymous with the aviation industry, as you can tell by their logo. We've got super bikes, cars, so I mean the whole place is really built, you know, these watches are built around the kind of the motoring and the aviation industry, which is just so brilliant, and that's why they've got us down here. So Alex Bescaby, obviously from the Lost Overland, doing some book signings here as well, which is super nice. It's great to have Alex down again at one of our meetups. So we're stood on the balcony above, everybody's walking down there. Amazing place. Bear Grylls-y, there he is. So many cool people. Tom Hardy. Who else can we spot? We know who that man is. Look at that. Oh, cool. Richard Roper. Here we have the Terra Nova collection, so the new collection from Bremont. You can get it either on the metal strap or on the kind of NATO strap here. I've just tried both on. They look and feel absolutely amazing. I actually really like the kind of NATO strap here. I just think it adds like, I don't know, it feels more of like an adventure kind of style. But of course you could get this kind of metal strap, so if you wanted to wear it, you know, to a nice dinner or something like that. But then if you were going on your adventure, you could just switch it over to the NATO strap as well. So which one would you have? Metal or the NATO?
Yeah. I think there's something wonderful about seeing a Land Rover in an iconic location that just gets the heartstrings going, and these guys have done such an amazing...
Has it started?
It did first time.
Wow!
Someone who actually knows what they're doing is checking it for me.
Yes, look at this. Look how many people are checking it over.
I know,
it's the best looked after Land Rover here.
Nervous switching on a car I think I've ever done.
Fantastic. All right, I've just held that talk in front of everybody here. Absolutely, incredible day. Just incredible to have so many people in this building, having a look at all the watches, all the Land Rovers that came as well. Absolutely incredible. So no, it's all right, mate. You're in it now.
Fantastic, thank you.
Thank you
So much.
Nice one, guys. Appreciate it. So we just had the talk. Again, thank you to Bremont for having us down to the wing today. Superb watches, an amazing venue. Thank you to Alex from obviously Alex Pescaby, who did the Lost Overland, for his talk and signing some books, and having Oxford down there, who's just outside. So it's just been a fantastic day. And if you're one of the ones that came, thank you for attending. And if you didn't, make sure you follow the Chelsea Tractors Club to come to the next meet. But I will see you in the next video. Peace.